Want to create stunning videos without spending a dime? In this guide, we'll show you the easiest free tools and step-by-step process to turn text into professional videos using artificial intelligence. Start with tools like Synthesia, DALL-E, and Runway ML are game changers for beginners. Synthesia creates talking head videos from text instantly. DALL-E adds realistic avatars and emotions. Runway ML offers advanced editing capabilities. Each tool has a free tier perfect for testing. Choose based on your creative vision and project needs. First, write your script clearly. Upload it to your chosen art tool. Select your avatar or video style. Select your avatar or video style. Customize voice, language, and speed. Add background music and transitions. Preview thoroughly before finalizing. These platforms handle rendering automatically. No technical skills needed. Your A video is ready in minutes, not hours. YouTube has countless free tutorials on A video creation. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer beginner courses. Join communities on Reddit and Discord where creators share prompts and tips. Practice with small projects first. Experiment with different styles. Learning by doing is the fastest way to master A video generation techniques. Use detailed, descriptive prompts for better outputs. I'll combine multiple A tools for unique effects. Add subtitles for unique effects. Add subtitles for accessibility and engagement. Test different voice options. Keep videos under 3 minutes initially. Consistency and style builds your brand. Remember, A is a creative partner, not a replacement for your unique vision and storytelling. Subscribe for weekly IE creative guides and drop a comment telling us which tool you're trying first.